Okay, what is up? Welcome to another software engineering concept in Python. And on this playlist today, we are going to check system testing and validating your complete software. So, system testing actually evaluates fully integrated applications against requirements following integration testing but preceding user acceptance testing. This phase examines the application holistically, validating both functional and non-functional aspects under real-world conditions to ensure production readiness before release. So, system testing in Python, we are going to look at the implementation and also the best practices. So Python actually provides several frameworks for effective system testing. We have the pytest, which is flexible framework for rich plugin ecosystem. We have unittest, which is built in for test discovery, and then the robot framework, which is for keyword driven approach for acceptance testing. So system tests are actually simulate real user scenarios and workflows, and in an e-commerce app this might include testing the complete purchase flow to log in through checkout. So that's the implementation. So you can see the steps involved in the testing phase, system testing phase. We have the planning phase, create a test plan for our requirements, test design, develop test case for system features, environment setup, configure the test environment to mirror production, and then execution, where tests are run manually and also via automation. Then we close by reporting the results and fix identified issues. That's what this process of system testing is about. If you don't understand anything, do well to post in the comment section. We will assist you. Thank you for watching this video. Let's move to the next video.